In this video, I'm going to talk about 3 meditation methods that boost happiness levels easily. Number 1, right up here, I think. So number 1, total relaxation exhale. Now let me explain. It's not as simple as that, but it is very simple. So this is my favorite technique to really relax the body, to really relax the mind and enter into a naturally blissful, naturally high state of being. Simply take a deep breath, and then for the exhale, you slow that exhale down as much as you can while making it comfortable and relaxing. So if you can do like a 10-second exhale or a 7-second exhale, really whatever brings total relaxation through your whole body. Okay? And what we want to do is not only focus on relaxing all muscle tension in the body while we exhale, but we really want to also focus on relaxing all mental activity during the exhale. And this is what makes it really powerful and really blissful. Okay? If you guys try it like this, you will have an amazing upliftment in your state of being, in your mood, and you will feel totally calm and energized after doing this for a couple minutes or however long you want to do it for. So another thing that this can do is it can make you very joyful naturally, because you're turning on your parasympathetic nervous system, which is the relaxation response in the body. And that is a really good thing for your health. It'll help you live longer and it'll help you stay healthy. So definitely try that out. Now, number 2, this is a really, really cool technique, okay? And this is actually an original technique for like Buddhists and monks. They all know about this one. It's really, you've probably heard of it. But it is the relaxed focus on one thing. Or you can focus on the self, the consciousness, and use that as the one focus. So basically you're focusing on one thing completely with all your attention. That's the idea. That's the intention you want to have, is I want to focus on this one thing. Why? Why do we want to do that? What does it do? Well, it does wonderful things for our psychology. It does wonderful things for our energy. But what's really happening is we are creating a higher level of coherence in the brain. So your brain waves, when you're focused on one thing, they go into a certain state of brainwaves. I think it's like alpha brainwaves. Or if you're in a really deep focused state, it can also be called theta brainwaves. And when you stay in that state for a long period of time, there's something that happens. It's called a mystical experience. So you'll be in that coherent alpha state, and you stay steady in that state for a period of time. It could be seconds, it could take a minute, it could take a couple minutes, but all of a sudden at some point you just get launched up into a really high brainwave state, a higher level of consciousness, which is commonly known as the gamma brainwave state. And that is when you have a mind-blowing spiritual experience that changes your life forever. And I've had that many times. I have lower levels, high spiritual experiences on a regular basis, but when you have like the big deal spiritual experience, for me that's just like a once in a while thing, because it's a little tricky to get there. But anyway, let's talk more about focusing on one thing. So you can enter into the flow state using this technique. And a really cool hack that I use is to focus on the continuous existence of your focal point. This is really key to getting into that flow state, because you just keep noticing, oh, it still exists, it still exists, it's still there. The breath, as an example, you could be focusing on the breath continuously to get into that focused state, and just keep noticing, the breath is still happening, it's still happening, it's still happening, it's still happening, still happening, still happening. And that really can put you into that nice flow state, and you'll get into that really calm, quiet mind space. And then from there, you can launch into blissful, energetic states. It's really fun. You should really give it a shot. And at the very least, you'll feel very calm and rejuvenated after doing that. So, another way you can do the one focus, a really powerful method that a lot of yogis teach, is to focus on the self. Now, I don't mean the mental self that you've imagined that you are. I'm talking about the consciousness that is seeing through the eyes. That sense of I exist. And it's not the body, because it is what's aware of the body. So you want to focus on that general sense of I am. I am. And when you focus on I am, it's like a singularity. It's like everything else just disappears. And then you can access the natural bliss of the I am. Because the I am is free from anything. In other words, anything and everything could go away, and the I am would remain. So, don't take my word for it. Try it out. Focus completely on the I am, continuously, non-stop, for 5 to 15 minutes. Try it out. It's like a workout for your focus muscle. Okay, so, number 3. This is super powerful. Let me grab it for you over here. Number 3 is focus on empty space. Now, this technique is really, really, really powerful. It will really upgrade your brain function. It will increase your connection to your intuitive powers, because you'll be connecting directly to the space of creation itself. So the space of the universe. We're going to be tapping directly into that. I know that sounds a little like out there, but this whole channel is out there, so it's too bad. So we're really tapping directly into the infinite empty space that is everywhere, that is all pervasive. You can focus on empty space with your eyes closed, so you can close your eyes and imagine that you're looking out into nothingness. No objects, no nothing. And you just want to use your imagination to imagine what is it like to exist without any objects, without any forms. And just kind of enjoy that space of nothing. No people, no objects, no world, no time, no places, no room, no location, none of that. Because in empty space, none of that exists, right? So you can also focus on the sense of empty space with the eyes open. Even if you're interacting with the world and you're being fully functional, you can actually sense the space around you. You can sense the space going far out in all directions just by sensing it directly. It's pretty cool. Try it right now, actually. Can you sense the space around your body? Can you sense the space behind your body? Like the 10 feet of distance behind your body. Can you feel that? And you don't even have to use your imagination. You can literally feel it the same way that you can feel your feet. You can feel the position of your legs. You can feel your hands without moving them. You can feel your head. You can feel the back of your neck. You can feel yourself sitting on the chair. But you can also feel the space below the chair. You can feel the space around the chair, around your body, right? This is a really cool technique, and it really quiets the mind very quickly. Because the moment you're focused on empty space, you are in an altered state. So that's really powerful. And you can do this kind of meditation all the time. Now, technically, you can do all 3 of these methods all the time. And I recommend that you definitely do that if you enjoy these. But to start out with, I want you to sit down and do a meditation with your eyes closed and try out these 3 different meditation techniques. So the first one up here was the total relaxation breath. So just a quick recap, you're exhaling. Simplest meditation. Relaxing the whole body. You can do that with your eyes open or closed. And you can do that all day long. It can put you into an amazing, relaxed, calm, chilled out state where you just feel very at peace with everything. At the very least, if not blissful and joyful from the energy flowing once you really relax. Number 2 was relaxed focus on one thing. So you're relaxed in the body and you're just focusing, constantly focused on something to give your mind a point of attention to focus on. Something simple like the breath or the sense of I am, and just continuously notice that it's continuously existing. It's continuously there. Number 3, somewhere over here, it's invisible. I can't see it, but you can. 3 was focus on empty space. Focusing on nothing, basically. It's really fun to focus on nothing. Something I wanted to mention is listen to music when you're focusing on nothing. So it gives you some more, makes the meditation a little bit more, less boring. If you're new to meditation, it might be a little boring. So play some music to give yourself some stimulation at first. But eventually you won't even want to listen to music, or maybe you will. I listen to music. In fact, I listen to music all day long, nonstop, from the moment I wake up to the moment I go to sleep. So that's just what I do. You can do this meditation all the time. I recommend that you do. It's a lot of fun, and it really can upgrade your life and make you way happier in life. So enjoy it, and let me know in the comments how this goes for you guys. Yeah, let me know if you tried these out. I want to know, do these work for you or not? If they make you unhappy, definitely comment and let me know if they made you unhappy. Or I'll see you in one of these videos up here, I think. Yeah, and let me get rid of this text. Okay, text is gone. I'll see you guys in the next video. Subscribe.